So basically this is my setup. Yeah, this is the keyboard. Yeah, I got it on Amazon, Radeon. That's should be the model number right there, Gamma K552RGB2. Yeah, it's a good keyboard, pretty good for the price. And yeah, this is the mouse, iMouse. I have on the unboxing video on the channel. Cheap gaming mouse from from AliExpress, pretty good for the price as well. Then yeah, this is the main PC I use. Built it, had to source the parts from Amazon. Yeah, bad reflection, so basically you can't really see what's going on. Anyway, let me try to unscrew this. Maybe you can have a proper picture of the things that are inside. So basically bought this thing on Amazon, rather the parts on Amazon, and I had to build them myself. Yeah, this is a PC. Yeah, this is a PC. These are the parts. It's housing the Ryzen, AMD Ryzen 2600X, and there's an SSD of course, and that should be 256. Then GPU is yeah, GPU is RX 570, yeah, the 8GB model. The CPU, as I said, is Ryzen 5 2600X. That's the main PC built. Had to buy the parts, ship them to my country, then build it with the help of my friend. It's a pretty solid PC, good for what it does, video editing, and yeah, you can pretty much play AAA titles with decent settings. Then this is the main PC. Oh, this is the screen rather. Yeah, and this is let me just close this. I usually use it for video editing, programming, and all that good stuff. Then just a pretty decent, not a bad speaker setup. Basically I don't live in my own house, live in my parents' house, so yeah. And the screen, that's the model, and the screen, not my screen of course. The family's, my dad got it some time back, should be in 2010. That's when he got the screen. Then yeah, I just decided to bring my setup to this particular room. Then this is the old PC. Yeah, probably our first PC. Yeah, HP compact, and it came together with the monitor. Pretty old PC, yeah, as you can see, Windows 7, but it came with XP, but pretty strong PC. It was good at the time. Yeah, and basically that's my setup. That's where all the good work happens. And yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, support me, and yeah, let's hit 500 subscribers before the end of the year. And thank you for the support you've been giving me of late. Yeah guys, that's just about it. Peace out.